The FTX exploiter has executed ongoing funds exodus, moving $17 million in ETH in one day. We will also be covering the possibilities of Bitcoin reaching $40,000 in the Q4 of this year. Endeavor to stay till the end of the video as I will be analyzing the possibilities of Ethereum ETFs becoming a reality. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates from the world of cryptocurrencies in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we extend a special welcome to you. We invite you to hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. Now, let's dive in. According to an on-chain report on Saturday, September 30th, an address associated with the FTX exploiter became active for the first time in 10 months. As earlier reported, some 5,000 ETH, equivalent to $8.2 million, was transferred from the flagged address, identified as 0x3E9, to new addresses on Saturday. However, in the latest development, blockchain data tracker Spot on-chain revealed that the FTX exploiter has moved more than $17 million worth of Ether tokens in the past 24 hours. In one of the most significant exploits in the crypto space, the now-defunct FTX exchange fell victim to a hack a few hours after declaring bankruptcy, leading to a loss of more than $600 million. According to an on-chain revelation, the exploiter has been moving huge chunks of their loot in the past 24 hours. The transferred funds have reached a total of 10,250 ETH, worth roughly $17.2 million, spread across 5 addresses. A breakdown by Spot on-chain shows that a significant 7,749 ETH, equivalent to about $13 million, was moved to the Thorchain router and Railgun contract. These two decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols are renowned for their privacy-focused features. Within the past day, the FTX exploiter has executed swap transactions involving 2,500 ETH, worth approximately $4.19 million. These funds were converted to 153.4 TBTC, an ERC20 token standard for Bitcoin, at an average price of $27,281. The Ethereum price showed good strength to end September after largely struggling throughout the month. The cryptocurrency has made a positive start to October, approaching the psychological $1,700 level with a 0.6% rise in the past day. The value of ETH has jumped by nearly 6% in the past week, reflecting positive signs of recovery. According to data from CoinGecko, the cryptocurrency has experienced a nearly 4% decline in daily trading volume, representing a recent fall in market activity. Nevertheless, Ethereum remains the second largest cryptocurrency, with a market cap exceeding $200 billion. Well, that's not all. Bitcoin has recorded an overall positive price movement in the last week, gaining by 2.39%, according to data from CoinMarketCap. The premier cryptocurrency suffered a slight dip between Tuesday and Thursday but soon rose on Friday to trade above $27,000 again. Meanwhile, in celebrating the new month of October, popular crypto analyst Michael van de Poppe has predicted an incoming bullish run for Bitcoin in Q4 2033 based on certain expected events. Via a post on X on October 1st, Michael van der Poppe welcomed his 667,000 followers to October with much optimism towards the BTC market, renaming the month as Uptober. In general, the well-known analyst believes the crypto bear market is almost over. And Bitcoin could soon record some significant gains, as he expressed in a previous post on September 30th. Interestingly, van de Poppe's optimism extends beyond October to the whole of Q4 2023, as he predicts Bitcoin could attain $40,000 before the year runs out. Albeit, this prediction is hinged on the occurrence of certain events. Firstly, Michael van der Poppe mentions the potential approval of ETF applications. The ongoing Bitcoin spot ETF saga in the US has drawn much attention over the last few months due to its possible effects on the BTC market. Currently, analysts are quite optimistic about the chances of approval of a Bitcoin spot ETF, which could result in massive gains for the largest crypto asset upon realization. Realistically, this approval could occur in Q4 2023, as it contains the second deadline date for most applications. However, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission could decide to delay its responses to these proposals till the final deadlines, most of which are slated for Q1 2024. The U.S. securities regulator is already employing such tactics, as seen with the first deadline dates for most applications. In the last week, The SEC also announced it would be pushing back its response to certain applications beyond their second deadline date. These applications included proposals from BlackRock, 21 Shares, Bitwise, and Valkyrie. In addition to potential ETF approvals, Michael Van de Poppe also mentioned a possible Bitcoin pre-halving rally as a factor that could spur the asset growth to $40,000 in Q4 2023. Historically, the months leading up to the halving event are marked by a Bitcoin rally, as seen in 2012 and 2016. Based on Van de Poppe's prediction, he foresees a similar BTC price movement in the coming months ahead of the next Bitcoin halving set for April 2024, during which the mining rewards will be slashed from 6.25 BTC to 3.125 BTC. However, investors should take note of black swan events, as seen with the last Bitcoin halving in 2020. In the months before this halving event occurred, the BTC pre-halving rally was temporarily affected by the negative market effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. Currently, Bitcoin is trading at $27.138 with a 1.07% gain in the last day. Meanwhile, the asset's daily trading volume is down by 21.37% and valued at $6.28 billion. Now to the big question of the day. Can Ethereum ETFs become a reality? Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings in the crypto space. Invesco and Galaxy Digital reportedly are set to file for a spot Ethereum ETH exchange-traded fund ETF. While Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seyffart revealed this filing on X, formerly Twitter. The official application had not yet appeared in the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's (SEC) public database at the time of reporting. A spokesperson from Invesco opted not to confirm the application, citing the standard practice of refraining from commenting on products still in the registration process. Galaxy Digital did not give a response at the time of reporting. The application from Invesco and Galaxy Digital aligns with a broader trend of investment managers seeking regulatory approval for spot ETH ETFs. Just 2 days before this filing, on the 27th of September, the SEC decided to delay decisions on previous ETF applications, extending the deadline until the 26th of December. The SEC justified the extension by stating that it needed more time to fully evaluate the proposed rule change and related issues. While a spot Ether ETF may not be available for some time, futures-based Ether ETFs could become a reality as soon as next week. On the 28th of September, investment firms began preparing to incorporate ETH futures products into their portfolios. VanEck, for example, released a statement regarding its upcoming Ethereum Strategy ETF, EFUT, scheduled for listing on the Chicago Board Options Exchange in the coming days. Valkyrie is another company venturing into the futures crypto ETF arena. The asset management firm will offer exposure to Ether futures through its existing Bitcoin, BTC, Strategy ETF, now rebranded as Valkyrie Bitcoin and Ether Strategy ETF. A Valkyrie spokesperson explained that the firm's Bitcoin Strategy ETF would enable investors to access both Ether and Bitcoin futures under one wrapper. Bitwise also made a move in this space by submitting an updated prospectus for its equal weight Bitcoin and Ether futures ETF on the 28th of September. This ETF is expected to launch in the coming week. Additionally, according to Seyffart, ProShares applied for a futures Ether ETF, while Kelly ETFs partnered with Hashdex to introduce their own futures Ether ETFs in the near future. The introduction of these ETFs could have a significant impact on the accessibility and adoption of Ethereum, providing investors with a regulated and potentially more convenient way to gain exposure to the cryptocurrency. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments section. Write us anything down here, we are very eager to read you. Always remember that you are an important part of our community. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also share this video to as many people as possible, let's get this news everywhere. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content and don't forget to follow us on our new Instagram account at FactMakeMoney. See you in a future opportunity to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community. Thanks for watching.